Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change touch and hold delay time in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, click on interaction and dexterity. Now here scroll down and click on touch and hold delay option. Now from here you can change the touch and hold delay time from 0.3 seconds to 1.5 seconds. So just simply tap on an option from these four options. And if you want to set your own custom touch and hold delay time, then select custom. Now press and hold on the screen and release your finger. So that's how you can set your custom touch and hold delay time. So that's how you can change the touch and hold delay time in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.